Hello guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix ahdsvc.dll file is missing in your Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin our video. First, open up your favorite browser and here in the Google search box just type the DLL files. So when you type it, just hit the enter and you will see the first website of dllfiles.com. Download DLL files for free. Just click on that and here just click on the search for your missing DLL files, and here you need to just type the file you needed, which is ahdsvc.dll, and hit the enter and you will see the first result like it is the file ahdsvc.dll. Just click on this first file which has the name, and after it will be open. Now here scroll down and here you need to check for is architecture is base PC. Here you are seeing it is the 64 bit and mostly computer has the 64 bit. So how to check? Go to Windows search and type the system information and open it. And here you will see your system type, which is the 64 base PC. So if you have the 32 bit, you can also download for the 32 bit. So after that, now you can just go back and click on the download. So after that, this file is start downloading into your PC. So this is very small. This downloaded immediately, and now you can just drag and drop this file into your desktop. So just minimize it and just click on this file and just drag it to your desktop. And now you are seeing this file, right click on it and click on the extract here. So now it will be extracting the two files. You can just delete this second file because you don't need this. So here you can just right click on your main DLL file and here you can just click on the copy, or either you can click on the cut. After that, now you can open up your file explorer and here you can go to your local disk C where your operating system is installed. So here you need to look for the folder of the Windows. Just double click on that and here scroll down until you find the system32 folder. So when you find the system32, just double click on that and here you need to just paste the command here. Just right click on it and click on the paste. And if this option is shown, then click on the replace the file in the destination, and if this option does not show, then its mean is pasted. So after pasting this file into your this folder, you need to just close this, and now you can just restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is fixed. So guys, this is how you can fix this problem. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.